Hello guys, welcome back to Slide's Household. This is another short video, just to get me back on track. We have on the menu today, Mark, is
fuel, well, body fuel, which is electrolyte and vitamin water.
what flavour?
This one is drumsticks
And number 2, while you
and love hearts.
Oh, that was a bit. Do a sniff test first. It smells like drumsticks.
This one does.
That what? Chris, love
No, I
hearts?
mean it don't smell like love hearts.
That does.
This does smell like drumsticks though.
Right, right. You're sampling and I'm sampling this and swap?
Yeah.
Okay. Love hearts, down the hatch.
Quite like this one.
Disappointing.
The drumstick one's nice. Actually
Hold
tastes
on.
like drumsticks.
Let me have the after effect. I don't know what that tastes like. Really?
Ah,
Ooh, what the hell is this? This is Sarah than that one.
yeah. You'd think it'd be the other way around.
But you've got the when you only swallowed it,
Yeah, you get the aftertaste
it
of the
actually
drumstick.
tastes like drumsticks. I don't know what the hell that one is.
This doesn't have the sort of like sherbetiness that Love Hearts have, but it has the flavour of the sweetness.
I don't like the actual. I like the aftertaste, but I don't like the actual taste of it going down.
You don't like the actual drink.
I don't like the actual drink. I don't know what flavour that's supposed to be love heart, but that does taste like drumsticks when you've actually swallowed it.
I like them.
Nah, not for me. Is it like an energy drink?
It's like a
Oh, it's
sports drink.
electrolyte?
Yeah, you drink it after exercising.
For me, not recommended.
I like them.
Would you recommend them now?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go, guys. There you go. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Ta-ra.